Hey, so this project that I'm doing today is for a Spina bifida raffle that I'm doing for my client for her event coming up in October. And I told her that I'll do a little project for her since I never get a chance to make it to her event every year. So this time I decided to do a reverse canvas. So I didn't get a chance to show how I actually got the canvas off of the frame. I forgot to do that part to show you guys that part. But on the video, it's basically showing you how I did the project and how I got the canvas back onto the frame. This transfer that I'm using is And So You Became My Everything. I thought this would be a really cute, simple project to raffle off. So let me know what you guys think about it. If you have any questions, leave me comments below, and everything could be in the description box anyway. So after you complete that, you just go ahead and let it dry. Always let it dry in between transfers as well, so that each transfer does not stick to the next, because then it's going to peel up your the first design that you put down. The next transfer will peel it up, and then it's going to look a mess. So you make sure you at least blow dry it really quick, and then because it's going to dry fast anyway. With our paste, it dries fast, but you blow dry it for the next transfer, and then let it cool off for a little bit. Give it about 5 minutes or so. Then you can do your next transfer, but don't press down so hard, because again, it will help to reactivate the design because the paste is wet, and then it will peel up. So you want to just lightly press on the with the next transfer, repaste it, and then you peel it again. I always go back over with another blow dry that I didn't show in this one, just in case. So the next thing that I did was paint my frame. I used a white chalk paint, and this frame again was, the canvas was on the front. I removed it with my X-Acto knife and just basically peeled it off, and then I turned the frame over, which gave us the smooth surface instead. So I'm painting this now to be able to put the canvas right back on. So basically, it's called a reverse canvas because you're taking the wood from the inside of the canvas and bringing it to the outside, and you put the canvas behind the wood frame, if that makes sense. So now what I'm going to do is staple it all back together, making sure that I'm pulling tight on the edges so that it does not have like the crumple effect in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys see how I staple this back. And now I'm just going to trim the excess off the edges so that it looks nice and neat. I started with my scissors, but now I'm going in with my X-Acto knife. It makes it more precise with the cuts. So I'm just doing that to, again, make sure it looks nice and neat. And I opted out of putting something on the back to hang it with, so it gives that person an option to do whatever they want with it. And yeah, that's about it. So this is my end result. I do love the way it looked. Just going to keep cleaning it up, add a few more staples to it in spots as needed, and then I'm done.